Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm walking on the water canal, but this time is no water, but both side of this canal is the green and rib paddy, and this already 90% paddy is rib, and for best time for harvesting. And for this reason the owner of this field, all fields are started harvesting and taking the rib fields from rib crops also to cut and turns into rice for this. And I have come here after 1 week to observe the our local fields conditions, especially the paddy. And overall the paddy is looks very awesome. The condition is very good, because at this time there is no any hazard environment or any kind of like cyclone never happened yet. And just 1 week, if we hand in the next 1 week, about all or around 90% crops or rib crops will cut here from this field. And I hope, because if you focus my behind this, most of the paddy fields are already rib, and it's the best time for harvesting to cut this paddy and something more other things also. But there is no any chance, or there is no any kind of like strong evidence there will be no any cyclone. Of course this is the time of the cyclone. Of course northern cyclone must come here, because it's usually 7 every year. But I hope it will not happen, especially in our area, because it's very good place and safe area also. The place is in the middle point of our country. For this reason I say that. By the way, but previous years we observed some different kind of things it is happening in area. But I hope, and also hope, there will be not happen in this type of incident, inshallah, so that we can get the best harvesting and the owner can get the good amount of rice from these fields, and something more we will get. We also hoping that. And because Bangladesh's most demandable product is rice, and we are getting from this and this area also. And for this reason we pray for this to get the best product, best crops, all this, because if we get the best product we will get a best money, and our economy will also boost up like this way. So by the way, we showed this something our surroundings, the paddy fields and paddy more things, but this video must help you to understand more. I hope next video I'll come here to show more another things, another topic, another time. Goodbye for this time. Assalamu alaikum.